Hey, I'm Laura. What can I help you with today?
How can I get a replacement dog tag?
You can request a replacement dog tag using My Council services.
We've got Laura. She's our artificial intelligence customer service avatar. Our trial of Laura is actually part of our Testing Tech in Paradise project. We're working with a company called Soulbotix who are testing how organisations like governments can use AI to improve the way they deliver services.
We're really excited working with Sunshine Coast Council. It's very important to test it in a real world environment because we don't know how people are going to interact with this, how they're going to talk to it, how they're going to respond to it.
We've come a long way in the last 8 weeks where we've trialled her upstairs and in a couple of different locations within the building. Before we could bring Laura here, we wanted to be able to make sure that she worked well, worked to a level that we were comfortable with ourselves, and also understand what people's interactions are with her.
Hi Laura, can you tell me how I can pay my rates?
The quickest way to get a copy of your rates notice and pay your rates is by using My Council services. You can also update your rates delivery method and details there.
Making council's channels accessible and inclusive to our community is such a strong commitment for council, and I think trialling things such as this allows us to understand how our community would actually engage with Laura. It also, if successful, could help free up some of our other team members to answer other questions that perhaps are a little bit more complicated.
I think we need to embrace this technology. We need to at least evaluate it. Essentially what we're doing is improving our customer service to the community by adding an additional channel of communication.
Laura is a fantastic example of how you can come to the Sunshine Coast and test and trial new technology in a real world environment. I don't think there's anywhere else in Australia you can do that. So the Sunshine Coast is open for business. We would love you to come and test and trial new technology on the Sunshine Coast and take advantage of the unique suite of digital infrastructure we have within our CBD.